Making the Move with Patty Tip.
Hi there, Patty Blossfeld here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in Morristown, New Jersey, and thanks for checking out my video series, Making the Move with Patty Tip. Today is the final episode. We are almost moving. So these are just some last minute thoughts that I have. So the first thing is getting help. Now, I suggest if you can get help anytime during the packing and moving process, take advantage of it. Don't be like, oh, I can do it myself. No, you need help. Anybody that will offer, take them up on it. But those last final crazy days where you're trying to do all the last minute things and then plus get your house broom swept for the final walkthrough of the buyers of your home. So have a person, because it's great to have a second set of eyes, go through your house, look at all the different corners and just make sure that you got everything. So with that in mind, keep a step ladder. Like, don't pack that away. A step ladder, bags, boxes, some scissors, tape, little things that you might need at the last minute. Other things are like maybe keep a backpack of final things, like if you wear contacts or if you take medicine, keep it all together in one spot, because trust me, when you get to where you're going after that move, you're going to be exhausted. And the last thing you want to be doing is looking for your contact, your glass case or where your medicines are. So keep that together at, towards the end there. Another thing to kind of think about, maybe a week or so prior to the move, get set up a company like Junk Rescue. I love them. Just in case you have last minute stuff that you cannot get rid of because you can't leave things in the house. So just have them set up. You can always cancel, but just get them on the books, okay? Coolers. Again, keep some coolers off to the side for the fridge, because whoever's going to help you with those last minute things, you have to have something to pack. And then obviously ice blocks too, which are, be very helpful. And then the last thing I wanted to mention is your pets. The move is not just stressful on you, it is also stressful on your pets. So keep that in mind. The day of the move, when the movers are coming, and if you have like a dog like I did, my dog was so anxious. I actually got some anxiety medicine for her that I started days prior to the move. And then the morning of the move, I dropped the dog off to my sister's house so she didn't have to be part of the craziness. So definitely keep those pets in mind, because it stresses them out too. So these are just my final thoughts. So I hope something I have said helps you. If you ever need any help or advice, or you just want to get started, call me. I would gladly offer it, because now I'm done with the move. I will gladly give some information on things to help you out. So that's it for now. Thanks again for checking in, and I hope to see you real soon. Take care. Bye.
Making the Move with Patty Tip.